Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today's signal is going to be on EURCHF, and without any more time to waste, let's go out to our calendar and see what do we have. Alright, let me find it for you. Here we go. Let's go to high impact section. Alright. The overall look on this currency shows that the buyer side for now is much more stronger than the seller side. But today's signal is going to be a sell signal because I personally see a weakness in the market that is going to move the price to the downside. And the overall look shows that the euro is going to be bearish a little bit based on the charts that I've seen before. So without any more time to waste, let's go on the chart and see what do we have. Okay, now that we are on the chart, as you can see, we are on EURCHF on daily time frame. And what I'm seeing now is that if we use our Fibonacci tool, we can see that both the levels 0.61 and 0.5 are taken. This shows that the support under the price is small and not strong. So we can move it a little bit further like this and see what do we have next. What I see here is that the price moved down in the previous wave and took a lot of money that was under this low and moved up again. This means that under this low there is no pressure of buyers. So currently the price is actually experiencing a fake move to the upside. It means that it's going to be a retracement to the upside. But the real thing is that the price is going to fall down after a small retracement to the upside. And if we are going to enter a trade, I recommend you that choose this area for your trade because I see a lot of reaction in this area. And as you can see, if I pull it back, you can see that the price has reacted to this area so many times before. And if you want to enter the trade, as always, it's up to you when to enter your trade. But if you entered your trade, I recommend you to put your stop loss right here. Okay, now that we have our stop loss, we have to find our TPs. So for that, sit tight and enjoy the video so I can make it a little bit more beautiful. Enjoy. That's for today's signal. I hope you have enjoyed. And as I've said before, there are ups to every low and there are lows to every up. So hold on to the ups so you can fade away the lows. Have a nice day and peace.